So most people solve this question like 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 4. Then again 2 minus 6 is equal to also minus 4. Now minus 4 times minus 4 is equal to 16, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have one subtraction, here multiplication, and here we have one parenthesis, right? So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis. So 2 minus 6 times, now solve this parenthesis, 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 4, right? So now according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction, right? So first we have to solve this multiplication. So 2, now minus 4 times minus 4, sorry, minus 6 times minus 4 is equal to plus 24. Minus minus plus, right? So 2 plus 24 is equal to 26. So the correct answer is 26. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.